Just thought I'd give you a little tutorial on stretching out a pizza dough. There's so many ways to do it, but I thought I'll show you the ways we do it. I've got a favourite way, and then there's a couple of other ways. If you get the dough out of the tray, try and get it out like this, like flat, so the dough isn't curled up or anything like that. You want the dough as neat as possible coming out of the tray. Dusting a semolina. Start with it as round as possible. So if it's a bit square, like those have been in the tray a couple of days, so just put the edges in and you're pretty much straight. And then, as I've shown you before, you want your fingers into a V and just press down from the middle, and you press and you're pushing the air to the crust. So it's not about leaving a rim, it's you're pushing the air to the crust. That's what creates the big puffy crust. Okay, so once we've gone up, we'll flip it over. And we'll do the same, but we'll start from the bottom and work our way up. And there you see you've got an even crust either way, which has pushed the air out of the base to the edge. Flip it again, up to there, and then again, and up to there. Now that, you're halfway there now. You've got a nice crust. If there's any big bubbles, like there's a bit of a bubble there, you can just pinch them and they'll go down. Now, this bit, flip it up onto your hand. That now is the base of your pizza, and it's literally just push up and spin up. So this hand just goes up, this hand spins, pushes it round. So spin like that, spin. That's if you want to spin it. I'm not no pizza acrobatic, but the more you spin it, and then as you can see, you've got a nice stretched out pizza. That's one way of doing it. Let's get another dough. If you get any bits like this, I don't know if you can see on the camera there, there's like a little bit there where it's come away from itself. Just pinch it together before you start, otherwise you can get a weak spot in the dough. So dusting the semolina, make sure it's nice and round, and then this way you're going to do exactly the same by pushing out. So you're going to push up to the crust, pushing that air out, okay. And then you can either do, what should we do? Should we do the Neapolitan slap? So hand in the middle, and you're pulling underneath with those three fingers, pull out, up and over, and then down. So you, as you're doing that, you're out, up and over, and down. And then so the dough rotates as you do it, and then you should be able to do it quicker. I'm not the best at the Neapolitan slap, I don't do it that often. And as you can see, another nice round pizza dough. And then this way, I see a lot of people